What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Reza Ramzani and this is Business Ideas. I'm sure most of you see the Wolf of Wall Street movie. If you don't see it until now after watching the video, go and see that movie. It's a very fun and interesting movie. And Leonardo DiCaprio was very good in that movie. I can't describe how good it was. Just watch the movie. And if you watch the movie, I'm sure most of you have these kind of question: why call someone Wolf of Wall Street? And I'm sure most of you at least heard one time about bull and the bear market. If I tell you these are not all of them, do you believe it or not? The truth is there are more than these three. So for today's video I try to explain them to you in a very simple way. By the way, before you forget, smash that subscribe button and make sure you like the video, because it helps us get more energy and make more video. Let's start the video. Have you watched the movie The Wolf of Wall Street starring Leonardo DiCaprio as Jordan Belfort? If yes, then have you wondered why he has been referred to as a wolf in the movie? What's an animal doing in the stock market-based movie? Well, animals in the stock market are commonly used terminology to define specific characteristics of the type of traders or investors or market scenario. In this article, we are going to discuss 11 of such most commonly used animals in the stock market. Please read the article till the end, as there are some bonuses in the last section of this post. Here are the most frequently used animals in the share market by stock analysts or the authors of investing books. Number 1. Bulls, the optimistic. The bulls represent the investors or traders who are optimistic about the future prospects of the share market. They believe that the market will continue its upward trend. Bulls are the ones who drive the share price of companies higher. Number Bears, the pessimistic. Bears are the investors or traders who are totally opposite of the bulls. They are convinced that the market is headed for a fall. Bears are pessimistic about the future aspects of the share market and believe that the market is going to be in red. Mostly, bears are the reasons for getting the share prices lower. The bulls and bears are often used to describe the market condition. A bull market is a scenario when the market appears to be optimistic and climbing new highs. On the other hand, a bear market describes a market where things are not good and appears to be a long-term decline. Number 3. Rabbits. The term rabbits are used to describe those traders or investors who take a position for a very short period of time. The trading time of these traders is typically in minutes. These types of traders are scalpers and trying to scalp profits during the day. They do not want overnight risk and just looking for an opportunity to make some quick bucks for the market during the day. Number 4. Turtles. The turtles are typically those investors who are slow to buy, slow to sell, and trades for the long-term time frame. They look at the long-term frame and try to make the least possible number of traders. This kind of investor does not care about the short-term fluctuations and most concerned with long-term returns. Number 5. Pigs. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. These investors or traders are impatient, willing to take high risk, greedy, and emotional. The pigs don't do any kind of analysis and always look out for hot tips and want to make some quick bucks from the share market. Pigs are the biggest losers in the stock market. Number 6. Ostrich. Ostriches are those kinds of investors who bury their heads in the sand during bad markets, hoping that their portfolio won't get severely affected. These kinds of investors ignore negative news with an expectation that it will eventually go away and will not impact their investments. Ostrich investors believe that if they do not know how their portfolio is doing, it might somehow survive and come out all right. Number 7. Chickens. Chicken refers to those investors who are fearful of the stock market and hence do not take risks. They stay away from the market risks by sticking to conservative instruments such as bonds, bank deposits, or government securities. Number 8. Cheaps. Cheap are those kinds of investors who stick to one investing style and do not change according to the market conditions. They are usually the last ones to enter an uptrend and the last one to get out of a downtrend. The sheep like to be on the side of the majority and follow a guru. They are not interested to develop their own investing, trading method. Number 9. Dogs. Dogs are those stocks that have been beaten down by the market due to their poor performance. Many financial analysts look into the dog stocks closely as they expect these stocks to recover in the upcoming days. Number Stags, the opportunistic. This kind of investors or traders are not really interested in a bull or bear market. They just look out for opportunities. They are neither bullish nor bearish. For example, stags can be the traders who buy the share of a company during its initial public offering and sell them when the stock is listed and trading commences. They do stagging with the hope to get listing gains, and hence these individuals are called stags. Number 11. Wolves. Wolves are powerful investors, traders who use unethical means to make money from the share market. Mostly, these wolves are involved behind the scams that move the share market when it comes to light. Number 12. Whales. These are the big investors who can move the stock price when they buy or sell in the market. You can make a lot of money if you trade alongside the right whale. Number 13. Sharks. Shares are those traders who are just concerned about making money. They get into the trades, make money, and exits the share market. The sharks have very little interest in big complicated methods of making money from the market. Well, this is for today's video. Hope it makes better understanding of the market and inspiration of that for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope all of you find someone as handsome as Leonardo or as beautiful as Margot Robbie in your life.